Hank Palmer is a ruthless Chicago defense attorney known for getting guilty clients off the hook. But when his mother dies, he is forced to return to his small hometown in Indiana, a place he has long left behind. There, he reunites with his estranged father, Judge Joseph Palmer, a respected but stern man who has upheld justice in their town for decades. Tensions between father and son flare up immediately. Hank resents his father's cold, demanding nature, while Joseph sees Hank as someone who abandoned his family in pursuit of wealth and status. Just as Hank is about to leave town, news breaks. Judge Palmer is accused of murder. The victim? Mark Blackwell, a man the judge had once sentenced harshly. Joseph has no memory of the incident, claiming he was out driving but doesn't recall hitting anyone. The evidence, however, is damning. A dent in his car, blood on the front, and a history with the victim. Though reluctant at first, Hank decides to stay and defend his father in court. As the trial unfolds, Hank digs into his father's medical history and uncovers the truth. Joseph has been battling cancer and is experiencing cognitive decline, leading to lapses in memory. The case becomes more than just about guilt or innocence. It's about a proud man's unwillingness to admit his frailty. Despite Hank's sharp legal tactics, the trial ends with Joseph being found guilty of involuntary manslaughter. However, due to his legacy as a respected judge, he receives only a light sentence. After serving his time, Joseph is released, and he and Hank finally share a moment of mutual respect. Just as their relationship begins to mend, Joseph quietly passes away while out fishing, a poetic ending for a man who lived by the law and died with dignity. In the end, Hank, once eager to escape his past, finds himself embracing it. He remains in town, finally at peace with who he is and where he came from.